Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. My best good friend Winifred is here today.
Hi.
God bless her. Months ago, probably. It's been months ago that I mentioned my closet.
It's probably been a year ago.
Has it been that long?
Mm-hmm.
I mentioned my closet and the fact that every time I go in there, I was so overwhelmed with not being able to find things, see things. Like, it just needed a complete clean out. And so Wendy said, well, I'll help you clean out. And I was too embarrassed at first to even take you up on it. And then you were like, don't be embarrassed. It's, we'll have fun. We are in the process of closet clean out. And it's 5 bags. Big bags.
This is today.
Oh, that's right.
We started
a week ago. Mm-hmm. Or a little more than that. We did just summer clothes.
We did one section. Just one little section.
Anyway, hey, Diane, I don't know about, do any of y'all suffer from that? Like, I feel like a hoarder a little bit.
Well.
Because there was stuff, she's making me try stuff on too.
Yes.
She said, nope, you got to try it on. Do you love it? Do you love it?
Have you worn it in the last year?
And if you don't, send it off to somebody who can use it. So that's what we've been doing. And so we took a break to eat. We did eat the quiche, which, what'd you think of the quiche?
Oh, it was wonderful. Try it. I know she's vlogged it already, right?
Crustless quiche, yeah.
Did you put the recipe on there?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Try it. It's really good. And it'd be a meal, and you could put fruit with it, or, like a main meal. Fruit with it, or hash browns. It's really good. Really good.
I'm going to send some home with her because Uncle Jeff, he loves everything. But, my guys aren't big on vegetables, so if I do something like that, I like to be able to send it home with somebody that I know will eat it. Yes. Diane said, I have so much in my closet hoping to get back into it. Hoping to get back into it. Diane, me too. I had how many sizes would you think?
She did. That was her thought. And she had stuff in there that she hadn't seen in I don't know how long. But
with the tags on.
With the tags on. But the thing about that, when you keep it and you think you're going to work back into it, that's your mentality. Every time you walk in, it kind of makes you feel like yuck. So I told Lisa, I said, if it doesn't fit, now she kept some things that she wants that are classic items that she feels like that she
like a
wants
couple pair of pants
that she can, that will, once she's losing more weight, that they will fit better and look better. So I encouraged her to do that because they're classic pieces. But anything that
But not a ton. We didn't keep a ton of those.
No. So I think when you walk in your closet and you dread walking in there, it makes you feel bad all over. And
that was me. Mm-hmm. So now when I walk in there after we finish today, it'll be, first off, I'll know
we're not
everything
going to, listen, let me go ahead and tell you, we're not going to finish today. We're doing some sections, but we're not going to be completely through. This is like a project. This is not an immediate fix. Yeah.
I'm so thankful for Wendy that she was so willing to come help. She said, I'd love to organize stuff and I'll come help you. Tracy said, exactly. Yeah, everybody needs a Winifred, okay? I'm going to have to, it's going to be a big deal for me to pay her back sometime when she needs help. But she did her closet. You did your closet, what, 3 years ago?
2 or 3 years ago. And the way you go in and you take every single thing out of your closet so that it's totally empty. And then you're supposed to make 3 piles. A pile of, oh, I love it, I wear it, it's in style, keep it. Or, I'm not so sure about this, you put it in that pile. And then the one of, oh no, that's got to go. And you kind of work through those piles, and then you get rid of what you want to get rid of. And then you kind of look through the, I'm not sure about it pile. And then you've had some time to think, and you think, no, I'm not going to keep that. So that's what I did. And it was very productive. And I felt better. I feel better when I walk into my closet.
Well, you felt empowered by it.
Well, I can wear what's in my closet. I'm not looking at something going, oh, gosh, I wish I could get back into those.
Yes.
Because it's depressing.
Yes, and I had so much stuff and just kept pushing stuff back that you couldn't see it. I couldn't see it. I couldn't see for looking. So I was
and you didn't want to see it. You didn't want to go in there. You were dreading it.
I was like, even when somebody would invite me to go somewhere, I'd be like, oh my gosh, I got to figure out something to wear.
And she's got some beautiful clothes, plenty of clothes. And I have threatened her. Y'all mark my word. If she shops anytime in the next 6 months.
She's threatened me.
She's going to be in trouble. Because she has plenty of nice clothes for all occasions. Yep. And we're not even finished.
No, we're not. We took a break to eat. And
tell them about your okay, the quiche is awesome. Now she's going to tell you about this.
And the quiche
healthy, friendly.
The quiche was very filling too.
Yes, very much.
Okay, this is more health friendly. Y'all know I have a sweet tooth like out the yazoo, and I love something real chocolatey or something real rich or whatever. When people say, "Oh, this is so rich, I couldn't eat it," I'm the one that eats it. Anyway,
true.
So I did record this, and I'm gonna put it up on the vlog with a picture and all that. But I used vanilla yogurt, Chobani Greek vanilla yogurt.
And you made 2 parfaits. So tell them how much did you use?
I bought the 4-pack. I bought the 4-pack, so I used two individual packages
Chobani
of the
vanilla.
Mm-hmm. And then I put a heaping and then a half of a heaping tablespoon of cocoa powder.
Okay.
Mix that up. And then I put some of that in the jar. You could do it in a mason jar. I did it in these fancy things that I got when I was
me
married.
like royalty today.
Well, it's a girly thing too, and the guys could care less about this stuff. So when I did it, I thought, wow, that'll do something kind of girly for us. But anyway, I put that, and then I put a handful of frozen blueberries. But you said you would like the strawberries too. Mm-hmm. Yeah, or you can use strawberries, raspberries.
Were they
or whatever.
frozen when you put them in there?
They were frozen when I put them in there.
Okay.
And then I put another helping of the chocolate yogurt, and then over the top I put sugar-free Cool Whip, just a dollop, and some vanilla honey granola.
Mm-hmm. Any kind of granola would be great on it. Mm-hmm.
And they were good, and I'm completely full, and honestly, I'm satisfied. If you don't wear something during the season, I know I won't wear it during the same season during the following year. Jennifer, you're all right.
Get rid of it.
You are right. Mm-hmm. And I have kept stuff thinking, oh, I'm going to lose weight and getting that, or it's ridiculous. There's 5 bags, big garbage bags of clothes that I'm going to take to Goodwill, and somebody else can enjoy them because it's been ridiculous. But it's a process, and thank goodness Wendy was willing to help me. Tracy said, yes, girl, cocoa powder is the bomb.com for that sweet tooth. You're my kind of girl. Well, thank you, Tracy. I appreciate that. I'm just trying to do healthier.
That was great. That was a great
healthier options.
I'm full. It had protein. I mean, that would be good in the morning, not just for a dessert. I mean, it was really good. Mm-hmm. I enjoyed it.
I'm going to do this again, and I'll do it. You know how I am at night.
That'd be
I want
perfect.
Something sweet. So that's why I thought I'll buy those individual ones, and then I can make just a little one, Anyway, just wanted to pop live, tell y'all what's going on, and that's what we're doing today. Closet clean out, and it's been a job. We've taken a break now. We're going to go get back to work, finish up what we can by 5.
Yeah, we set our limit.
Yes. So anyway, thanks for watching Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real. Check out the post for the crustless quiche. It was very good. And I will see you guys soon. She said that statue on your table behind you is so cute. Tell us about it.
Oh, a little wine holder.
Oh, Lord, I've had that thing for years. And when I open a bottle of wine, I put it in there. It's just it's wire. I don't even remember where I've got it.
You've had it a long time.
I've had it a long, long time. I always want something sweet with some milk at night. I know what you mean. This is a good option for that.
It is.
But anyway.
And it's good today. I think it's good. It'd be good to eat late if you're craving something. Because it's good to eat protein before you go to bed, isn't it?
I think it's good to eat protein anytime.
I don't know. Hey, if you've been dreading cleaning out that closet, get started. That's the hardest part.
It is the hardest part, no doubt. We're going to get back to work. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and we will see y'all later.
Bye.
Bye now.